I am excited for that party on Friday, though.
No, it should be good.
We should get Lumpy fucked up.
Water in the gas tank.
No!
You'll be feeling it.
He already has
Feeling
lifter
it?
tick.
He has what?
Lifter tick.
What the hell is that?
Like the lifters in your engine when you start it, you hear it. It
it
goes
ticks?
like tick 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 tick.
I thought that was normal.
No, it's not supposed to be like sediments and things.
I hate
just like
sediments.
I'll stop explaining.
No, you can explain it. I just wanted to chime in. I hate sediments.
How do you feel about sedimentary rocks?
How do you guys feel about sediments?
I mean, sediments do turn into sedimentary rock, which is pretty dope.
True.
Are you saying you don't like
rock
rocks?
Also turns into sediments.
I didn't say I didn't like sedimentary rocks. I said I don't like sediments.
Okay.
I also don't like.
So hold up.
I also don't like fetuses.
Okay.
But
now,
I like people just fine.